Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can start investing not only in cryptocurrencies but also in stocks, ETFs, metals, basically all the key financial instruments, all in one single platform. And if you're looking for a form of passive income, kind of like how a bank pays you interest but with much higher rates, you can also do that here. This platform offers annual yields that are way more attractive than traditional banks. So, instead of wasting your time, let's get straight into it. You've probably already heard about this platform, maybe even have an account. I'm talking about Bitpanda, one of the best and safest exchanges for the European market. Bitpanda has over 7 million registered users, offering access to more than 600 cryptocurrencies and over 3,000 other digital assets, including stocks, ETFs, and precious metals. It's fully regulated, safe, and secure. Everything you'd expect from a quality platform of this type. The concept is very simple. You can buy, hold, and invest in crypto, stocks, ETFs, metals, and more, all in one place. And here's something important. Deposits are completely free of charge. Whether you use Apple Pay, PayPal, MasterCard, or Visa, there are no deposit fees, which makes this platform super attractive. How to start? To use Bitpanda, you first need to register for free. The next step is verification, which is required before you can start investing and enjoying all the benefits. Since I already have an account, let me quickly show you the platform. Right now, you can see I'm holding a token called Merlin Chain. Below, you'll see some new assets recently added, like Trump's useless coin and many others. Here under the Trade tab, you can easily buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And yes, they even offer leverage up to 10x on crypto trading. So, for example, if you invest Euro 100-inch Bitcoin and use 10x leverage, it's like you're trading with Euro 1000 assets. Of course, leverage is risky, but the option is there for advanced traders. Besides crypto, you can also invest in stocks and ETFs directly on the platform. Again, all you need is to complete your verification and you're good to go. Another cool thing, Bitpanda supports multiple languages, including our own, so you don't need to worry if your English isn't perfect. Everything is simple and beginner friendly. So if you're looking for something safe and regulated where you can keep all your investments in one place, crypto, stocks, ETFs, precious metals, Bitpanda is definitely worth checking out. They even have their own Bitpanda Card, which lets you spend directly from your balance, though that's optional depending on what you want. So, to wrap it up, Bitpanda is a trusted, regulated platform where you can invest in crypto, stocks, ETFs, and metals, all in one place. It's beginner-friendly, safe, and with zero deposit fees. If you want to try it, you'll find my referral link in the description. And if you'd like to join our free Telegram group for tips, results, and discussions, the link is also down there. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.